Hello. We're going to play this route on Train Sim World 5. And it's snowing. I didn't want that, but yeah. I didn't even read it. What the fuck? That's not good, I didn't even read it. Yeah, so welcome to my new video. Thomas and Friends is going to be in Train Sim World 5. Actually, just Thomas, Diesel, Anya and Clarabelle, so yeah. It was in the other class, not the class 350, but the other one. Yeah. Battery. Oh, it's just... Huh. Neutral. What is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, there we go. Up. No, up. Yes. Forward. Night. Night. Ooh, the night light is bright. Yeah. I mean, it's an empty train, yeah, but I didn't know I took 3 things, but they didn't work. This is my 3rd or 4th try to do this, or else I'm gonna say, or else I'm gonna do another one, but yeah. Ah, it's yellow. I should wait. Why isn't it working? Huh? Why are my doors opened? Oh shit, no. I think I've opened them. Oh shit, well. Now yes, there we go. Now it's working. So yeah, in gaming new video, I was there. My name is Chainboy. So I'm glad because I've watched his videos so many times, and it's just so great that I'm one of his videos and I played with him. That's like a dream come true, but want to have a light. Oh shit. I should have checked it before. Oh shit. Ah, there we go again. Oh Jesus Christ, yeah, that's Trains in World 5 on my laptop. I don't know why I don't know why I am a woman, but yeah. Is that like night light? Oh shit, oh shit. Ah, there we go. Oh my goodness, this is much better. Oh yes, thank you. So we have a green light. It's going to 100 miles per hour. We're gonna stay on like 55 or something. It's almost 100 kilometers per hour. I don't know. But yeah, we're driving still 60 miles. It said that it's going to be a half an hour. So you can slow up a bit. Jesus Christ, where is the... Oh yeah, that works actually. What is interval? Oh Jesus Christ, no. I need it slow, thank you. Oh, okay. When I'm gonna stay. Wasn't it going down? I wanted to go there. We go. I'm gonna stay at maybe 70 miles per hour. Yeah, it's good. Sorry. Well, it's now the 6th January, so 2025. Tomorrow starts school again. I don't want it to be school, but yeah, I don't want it to be school. No, no, no. Where is this actually? Oh Jesus Christ, we drove long there. I didn't know these were so much. That's actually going pretty well. They were gonna stay at, what is it, BBC, like on, sorry, off. If we get to 16 miles per hour, then I'm going to go and put the PBC, then I'm gonna put the PBC on 1. Huh. I don't even know how long 1 yard is. I guess at 1.4 miles is something. I don't know. I see the light already. Yes, there's going to be something in 1.3 miles because it's going down. Oh, I'm going 60. Thank you, Mighty Chain. Player service. Is there going to be a train that I am going to meet? No. No, it appears not. No. Oh shit, wrong button, sorry. What was that? Oh, fuck. Need to know how you can control this. If V is up, what is down? Oh no, I'm not gonna do the warning lights. What? Where is that button? That's so much better. Well, I've seen in the comments that I talk a lot, and sometimes I don't talk a lot, so I can't control it. If I am honest. Okay. The maximum speed is 110 miles per hour, so almost 170 kilometers per hour, or I don't know. How do you press that? I don't know, but hey, if I have light, then I have light. No, this is good. This is good. And not this one. 90 miles per hour, speeding down. I missed one. 10 miles per hour to go. That's good. So I can talk a little bit. So today it's how do you call that? So today it's misty, and I decided to fly my drone. My father has had an idea. What if I go up? Can I see the surrounding? Then a thing popped up, like here at the screen of my control panel. It says, "Fly down immediately. Motor is overheating," or something. When I flew it down, it had a bit of ice on one side of the wing, and I had 8 wings. So I had ice, a little bit of ice on 4 sets. Oh, I just got a Discord message. Well, I can't look at it now, but I can look at it at my phone. No use. You know, they say don't look while driving, but I can look there and I don't have a steering wheel, so everything is fine. So from what was it? Nope. My friend is still in the voice chat. Nope. Nothing. Okay, it's getting faster now. Maybe what is it? V. What is now? I want to see. Oh, there was it. Oh, that's intervalve. Yeah, that's good. You know, I posted a video today. No, video, a short. About my new model railway. I've bought rails for 50 euros, 4 switches, and yeah, the other stuff, 4 switches, 40 euros, and other parts for 10. So I have now got space to buy another engine. But first I'm gonna need a multi-mouse because I'm using Rocco. So, need a multi-mouse. I'm at Mole Railway Club, and on Amazon it costs 127 euros, and the owner of this is giving me it for 60 euros. So I don't have to pay, so it's 50% off almost. So now what? I'm not gonna having a second engine because I do not I'm not trusting the internet websites Rocco, Pico, Fleischmann, because some don't have a motor in it, and I want an Vectron with a motor and sound. And I'm going to drive to a store. It's near, yeah. I can go by foot from school actually. I'm gonna look for a Vectron because the owner of this said if I want a Vectron I can just ask him and I maybe get it lower than on maybe Pico, because Pico has a lot of Vectrons, or Rocco. Yeah. Yeah. I can't open these. What about this? Oh yeah. Huh? Strange, but okay. Okay. 5 miles ago, the recording is 17 minutes in. So yeah, about 13 more minutes, I guess. We started on 17 miles. It's now 5 miles, 4.8 miles. Yeah, so it's not gonna take 30 minutes or something, I guess. But I'm driving under the speed of the thing, so it's gonna take a bit more. No, it's drive over it. So the next signal is green, but the next one is going to be yellow. Let's see if that changes, and I am going over this green one, or sooner. So we're now about 18 minutes in. 1 minute later, yes. 3.9. Yeah, that's good. Yes, it turned automatically green when you drove over it, so that's a good thing. Let's see. Nothing. Still the same. I don't know why it's a good thing to have it on 100. Just stupid. Maybe about 50% or 20-ish. Yeah, like this is good because the sun is like, it goes from here and there and then down again, or something else. But we don't need it because we're driving at night. Yeah. So it's gonna go down 90 miles per hour. And we've got about 2.7 miles left right now. It's actually quite fast because every minute 2.3 miles it's going to be 40. So I'm actually not going to speed up or something, but stay in, wait, look at this thing, like almost to here. What is this? What is this? What? What? Yes. Speaker. Oh no, it's the same again. Oh shit, how do I get out? Never mind, it's all good. Then 1.3 miles, I have to drive 40 miles per hour. I do not know how much this is, but if 30 miles per hour is 48 kilometers per hour, this is gonna be 54. No wait. It's gonna be maybe 60 kilometers per hour or something. I don't know. No, forget what I said. Just got a snap message from a friend that likes trains. I'm gonna send him. Oh, 5 miles. I mean, it's not that far. I mean, we're at 45, so I can stay at that speed right now at the moment, yes. I mean, look at that. It's 200 yards away, so it's gonna be good. Oh, he already snapped me back. You see, that's quite perfect, yeah? It's quite perfect, actually, yeah. Do I start braking? Huh? No, I do not start braking. Ah, that's why. Huh. That's not good. I've changed track again. Jesus Christ. Ah, there we go. There we go. Now we can speed up again. A bit faster this time, please. Yeah, we're at 23 minutes, so yeah, it's not going to be good. No, I'm not gonna do that. Are we driving into a curve? Yes, we are. Gotta see how fast we're driving. Shit. Oh, thank God. Yeah, it's gonna take a while. Actually driving quite fast, I don't like that. Ah, there, stop at a thing. At 21:28. I'm not going to be. Not going to make it. Oh Jesus Christ! It's slowed down to 90. Oh Jesus Christ. I mean, it's going to be 100 miles per hour in about 50 yards right now, so gotta speed up again. Yeah, so write in the comments how you are doing, and if you got far to this video, please, if you please can like and subscribe, and if you like Gaming Imp, then say it in the comments, because then you're one of a good people, and if you don't like him, it's good. If you like, yeah, if you don't like him, it's good. Yeah, I can take it. Yeah. So I'm actually doing great. We're about 27 minutes into the video. I gotta be there at 21:28, and it's now 21:25. So does this come 1, 2, 3? 1, 2, 3? I don't think so, but I don't know. Okay, if there's going to be 90, oh okay, it's in 2 miles, but let's stay there. So yeah, I still don't know what this blue line there means. Green, that both turned into green there, so yes, that's going to be good. I've driven under the speed thing, like 70 miles per hour, 60, which is not good because I have to be there on time. Yeah. Ooh. Oh, that's nice. I like to honk a lot. Oh, what's there? Huh, I'm inside my train. Yeah, I want to be a train driver in real life. I still gotta check if the thing is still going, so yeah. The first 2 times, the first 3 times, I didn't know. I didn't know, but I didn't notice. We gotta be there in about 20 seconds. Yeah, no, not going to happen. Not going to happen. No. So when we reach 4 miles away, I gotta drive 75 miles per hour. So no speeding up. Maybe a little bit speeding up, or you know what? PBC out. It's coming really near. Sorry, I did not mean 4 miles, 3 miles, sorry, I just realized it, sorry. No. 4 miles. Wait. Yeah, 4 miles. 4 miles. Sorry. 4 miles. What is this? To where does this go? 140 miles per hour. This goes to 125. Good to know. Oh my gosh. Where's the 90 miles per hour? Ah, there we go. What is the full flip? Oh, it's 4. So 2 is fast and 3 is 75% and 4 is 100%. So we have been speeding up on 50 and 75% power. Yes. The next thing is going to be... Okay, so it's going to be 74 bit. Right now. Oh shit. How long is this tunnel actually? I think 30-ish is good here. Just gotta stop again. So yeah, it's 21:31. Yeah, no. Still got about 1.5 miles. Yeah, exactly 1.5. Yeah. Oh, there, 80. 1980. What? Ah, yeah, 90. Sorry, my bad. I just seen wrong. Yeah, 90 now. It's 75 again, so I don't have to pretty much speed up that high, yeah. I'll even see my neighbor's house pretty good. My other neighbor's house, not the neighbor right next to me, but the neighbor next to me. One of our best friends, actually. We've got about few yards, 800 yards. So I think after it, at 7, no. I need to start slowing. They're not emergency. Okay, so actually LC1, so is there a bit of a thing? No, please don't lag now. Please don't lag now. Oh my gosh, it's all good. Ooh. No more again, please. Oh shit, it's... Oh fuck. Nope. Too low. Ah, shit. My Jesus Christ, it speed up fast and it breaks too fast. Nope. Out. Yes. Jesus Christ. Out. What? Am I actually faster when I go out? There we go. There's the door, there's the door. Yeah. Here. L. Thank you. Much better. Maybe sanding is good. Much better. Does it have this one? Yes. Ooh. 25. Okay, okay. So I can actually maybe first of all minimal. That's good. Oh Jesus. Okay, we've done it in 40 minutes. Yeah. Oh. Okay. Okay. Shit. Hey, gold one is a gold one. Wait, what? Ah, so this is actually when I drove too fast, then I brake pumps and then went too fast. Yeah, that's good. So I thank you all for watching my video, and if you want to like and subscribe. It helps me out, and hope you're doing fine. And well, see us next time.